Scheduling your service appointment has never been easier. Now you can schedule your service appointment through the Toyota app, and here's how. Start by selecting Service Appointments. Click and make an appointment. Enter your current mileage and make sure you are scheduling at the dealership of your choice. You can then see all recommended services. If the service you need is not on there, you can select all services and enter a custom service. Once service is selected, you can choose the service advisor of your choice. You will be directed to selecting if you need shuttle service or have your own ride. You can then select the date and see times available. You will then finish by confirming the appointment. When appointment is confirmed, you will get a notification reminder of your upcoming service appointment. Not only are you able to set in a service appointment, you can now see when your next service is due, all your service history, any upcoming and previous appointments, as well as choosing your preferred dealership and see all of their information from phone number, website, to amenities and hours.